One question that I've been getting a lot lately is whether collagen is okay to take for acne-prone skin. Make sure to watch today's video to find out my answer. Hi lovely, I'm Carmen, founder of Luminosity Acne Skincare. I'm also a licensed esthetician that specializes in the successful treatment of acne. So let's go ahead and get into today's video, which is all about collagen. At my office, I educate my clients to avoid biotin because biotin can actually make acne worse. Now, if you don't know about the biotin and acne connection, make sure that you check my channel because I did previously create a video that goes in depth on that subject. Because I don't recommend biotin for my clients, oftentimes they will ask if instead they can use collagen as an alternative so that they can have something that can benefit their skin, hair, and nails. Luckily, collagen is acne safe. Well, I should say the most common ones that you're bound to come across are acne safe. Keep watching this video though, because towards the end I will mention one type of collagen that you should avoid if you're acne prone. So the best types of collagen when you're acne prone are ones derived from animals. So bovine, porcine, or fish collagen. Now, oftentimes fish collagen is labeled as marine collagen, and that will come from the fish's scales or skin. But please don't confuse marine collagen that you ingest with the type of marine collagen that's found in skincare or hair care products. And that's because the marine collagen found in skincare and hair care products is actually derived from seaweed or algae. And seaweed and algae are very high in iodine, which can actually make your acne worse. If you're interested to know more about iodine and acne, make sure that you also check my channel for that video, because previously I did create a video that goes in depth on that subject as well. In conclusion, yes, you can take a collagen supplement for your skin, hair, and nails, but just make sure that you don't confuse the fish-based marine collagen that's ingestible with the seaweed or algae-based marine collagen that's in skincare or hair care products. Because sometimes if you hear that yes, you can use collagen, then a lot of times your mind will think that it's okay across the board, but you do want to be selective when it comes to the marine collagen type. Okay, so that is it for this video. I do hope that you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more acne related videos. Also follow me on Instagram at Luminosity Acne. And lastly, if you still need help clearing up, I would love to be the person that helps you get there. I do have two clear skin options for you. The first one is that if you live close by to my North Carolina acne office, I would love to have you become a local client. The other option is that if you don't live anywhere close to me, you can still get beautiful, healthy, clear skin through one of my acne kits, and my kits do ship worldwide, so even if you're in another country, I can still help you achieve clear skin. Okay, that is it for this video. I will see you in my next one.